Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So now that we have done with 20 record makers of India, both men and women. So in total we have done 40. Now we're going to do rest 10 record makers of India, both men and women, and gladly we would be able to do around 60 in just 3 days. So that is how I believe that doing small things every day would result in something big one day. So let's get started. Let's not waste our time. Another topic that I'll be covering in this video is another important topic of Indian history that comes in general knowledge, which is important visitors to India and the kings whose courts they visited. Let's finish with the record makers of India first. So talking about the record makers of India, women record makers of India, we firstly have so women record makers. Starting with the first one, we have first women to pass MA. First women. So just like in other videos, here also first woman would be common to all the ones we are talking about. There would be slight variation in the youngest women that I'll be coming across, but right now we're talking about the first women. So we have first women to pass MA. She is Chandramukhi Bose. Chandramukhi Bose. Secondly, we have first woman editor of English newspaper. So editor of English newspaper. She is Dina Vakil. Then we have first woman chief engineer. Just a second. First woman chief engineer. She is PK Thresia. PK Thresia. Then we have first woman to receive a Sena Medal. Must be Sena Medal, I think, to receive a Sena Medal. It's written Medal here, but I think it's medal. So she is Constable Bimla Devi. Constable Bimla Devi. Now we have youngest woman. So youngest woman to climb Mount Everest. Is Dicky Dolma. She was from Manali and she completed this in 1993. Then we have first woman to climb Mount Everest 2 times. So first to climb Mount Everest 2 times, she is Santosh Yadav. Now the first lady magistrate. She is Umana Kunjamma. Then we have first women to win Nobel Prize. First women to win Nobel Prize. We have Mother Teresa. Now we'll be talking about the Miss India, Miss Universe and Miss World. So the first women to be crowned Miss India, Miss World and Miss universe. So first woman to be crowned Miss India is Pramita in 1947. Then we have Miss Universe is Sushmita Sen. And first Miss World is Rita Faria. Then we have first women president. She is obviously Pratibha Devi Singh Patil. And lastly we have first women speaker of State Assembly. We've already done Lok Sabha. Now we have State Assembly. So she is Shano Devi from Punjab. Now we're done with women record makers of India. These are the ones. Now just revising the last three. Miss India is Pramita. Miss World is Rita Faria. Miss Universe is Sushmita Sen. First women president is very important to remember. It is Miss Pratibha Patil. And first women speaker of State Assembly is Shano Devi. Now we'll be discussing the men record makers. So until now we're done with 33 important female record makers, and gladly we've been together done around 53 record makers of India. Now we'll be doing 10 more men record makers of India, and then we'll be done with around 70-ish record makers of India. So men record makers of India. The purpose why I'm writing it here and even speaking is the fact that our minds are visual, and because audio gets to us more and visual stuff appeals our mind more. That is why I'm writing here as well, so that at least if we are attending 15 minutes of this video, we'll be able to retain at least like 10 minutes of what we have learned. Now talking about the 21st, so we've done 20s, now we're 21st. So this video's first is first emperor of Mughal dynasty. First emperor of Mughal dynasty, he is Babur. Secondly, I'll be talking about the whole medieval period wherein Babur, Humayun, Akbar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb had ruled. I'll be discussing in that about that separate video. The second one is first field marshal. First field marshal is SHJ Manekshaw. So remember Marshal with Manekshaw. So first field marshal is Manekshaw. And third one we have is first Indian Commander in Chief of India. So first Indian Commander in Chief is General K.M. Cariappa. General K.M. Cariappa. Then we have first Chief of the Army Staff. First Chief of Army Staff. He is General Maharaja Rajendra Sinhi ji. So now first Chief of Army Staff is done, but now we're talking about first Chief of Naval Staff. He is Vice Admiral R.D. Katari. Then we have first Indian to visit England. first Indian to visit England is Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Then we have first bar at law. First bar at law. He is J.M. Tagore. Then we have first chairman of Rajya Sabha. First chairman of Rajya Sabha. He is Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Then we have first Air Marshal. First Air Marshal. We've already done Field Marshal, and if you remember the Field Marshal, M was for Manik Shaw. Now we have Air Marshal, and it is Arjan Singh. Arjan Singh. Now we have first judge to face impeachment in the Lok Sabha. So एक ऐसा जज जिसने लोकसभा में impeachment फेस करी हो, he is Justice V. Ramaswamy. V. Ramaswamy. Now we have two more. We have first Indian to circumnavigate the globe. मतलब एक ऐसा इंडियन जो उसने पूरी दुनिया घूमी हो and has covered all the areas is first person to circumnavigate the globe is Lieutenant Col K.S. Rao. So Col K.S. Rao. Then we have first Indian to reach the South Pole. First Indian to reach South Pole. He is Col K. Bajaj. So first Indian to reach the South Pole. So South Pole is Colonel J.K. Bajaj. So this is it for the 20 record makers. We have done 10 women record makers, 10 men record makers, and so now we'll be doing the third topic that we have for this video, which is important visitors to India and the kings whose courts they visited. Now this one is important, as in the point of view of CUET is definitely important. So visitor I'll be writing here, and the king in whose court the visitor had visited I will be writing here. So talking about Megasthenes, he had come in the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Then we have Fa Hien from China. He had come from China and he came in the court of Chandragupta II. Thirdly, we have Huin Sang. He was also Chinese and he had come come in the court of Harshvardhan. Then we have Al-Biruni. He had accompanied Mahmud of Ghazni when the latter invaded India. So basically Mahmud of Ghazni had invaded India, and at that point of time Al-Biruni had come with Muhammad of Ghazni to India. Al-Biruni has written an important book जिसका नाम है हमारा Tariq-e-Hind. He has written this in Arabic, and this is also known as Kitab-e-Hind. Then we have Ibn Battuta. Ibn Battuta had come in the court of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Then we have Amir Khusro, who had arrived at the court of Balban. He had also arrived in the court of Alauddin Khilji. And also in the court of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. So just revising it here, Megasthenes had come into the court of Chandragupta Maurya. Then Fa Yan had come in the court of Chandragupta II. Yuan Sang had come in the court of Harshvardhan. Both of these were Chinese. Al-Biruni had come in the court of arrived with Mahmud of Ghazni to India when Mahmud of Ghazni had invaded India. His famous book's name is Kitab-e-Hind or Tariq-e-Hind. Then we have Ibn Battuta, who had come into the court of Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and Amir Khusro was a special person. He had come into the court of three people: Balban, Alauddin Khilji, and Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Now we're left with two only. They are Sir Thomas Roe. He had arrived in the court of Jahangir. And the last one is Abul Fazl Ibn Mubarak. He had come into the court of Akbar. And his famous books are Akbarnama. And Akbarnama itself consists of few books, out of which one is Aini Akbari. So Akbarnama is basically a chronicle of Akbar. It's a book. So chronicle means a book which writes about the incidents regarding something in a chronological order. Chronological means according to the time. So it's a chronicle which talks about the events that took place in the times of Akbar. So Sir Thomas Roe had entered when Jahangir was in court, and Abul Fazl Ibn Mubarak had come when Akbar was ruling the court. The very famous book of Abul Fazl is Aine Akbari and Akbarnama, which is a chronicle of the times of Akbar. So this is it for this video. I hope you have subscribed to the channel already and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any notifications or updates from my end. I'll be covering a lot of stuff today and in my next videos as well, because it's high time that we start preparing for Christ University entrance test. The video that I've covered today is very centric to Christ University, and all the rest of my videos would also be very centric to what is very important regarding the entrances preparation. So stay tuned and make sure that you learn by the time I'm teaching you so that we can crack the CU 8.